Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Dodge Charger. Start by locating the key fob and checking its battery, then try the manual key blade in the driver door lock. If the fob still fails, try the ignition cycle trick and consult owner manual for model specifics. Stay calm and avoid forcing locks to prevent damage, and follow these steps carefully for safe entry and minimal stress. Begin with fresh batteries and stand close to the car when using the key fob, pressing lock then unlock in a steady rhythm. If the fob does not work, remove and reinsert the battery or try a second programmed fob. For modern chargers, keep the fob on your person and avoid signal blockers. If necessary, consult a dealer for reprogramming to avoid getting locked out unexpectedly. If the fob fails, use the manual key blade to access the driver door and unlock the vehicle carefully. For some chargers, an ignition cycle reset can restore electronic locks, so try accessory then on and back off in a calm sequence. If those steps fail, call roadside assistance or a locksmith rather than forcing the lock to avoid costly repair bills and potential voided warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.